In this problem, we are asked to determine which justification can be used to prove the following triangles are congruent. We are provided some information through our markings in our picture. We have segment GH is marked congruent to segment JI. So we could say that GH is congruent to segment JI. So that's one side. We are also told that GH is parallel to JI, and that's what those arrows indicate. So GH is parallel to JI. When we think about parallel lines, there's two kinds of angles we need to look for. We need to look for alternate interior angles or corresponding angles. When I look at these parallel lines, if I highlight them, and I think about the transversal, I'm looking at JH as my transversal. I see that Z or that N, so I'm thinking about alternate interior angles. So this angle right here and this angle are alternate interior angles. So I can say that angle GHJ is congruent to angle HJI. And that is because if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are congruent. So that's what allowed us to mark those angles. I don't have any other special angle relationships happening here, but notice this pink side, JH. That is shared between our two triangles, JHJ and HJI. So I can go and mark it congruent to itself, and I'll use two tick marks. So I can say that JH is congruent to JH by the reflexive property of congruence. And now if I look at my markings, I can see that I have side, the included angle, and a side. And that's the same for both triangles. So I can say these triangles are congruent using side angle side.